Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing something different. So I saw a few YouTube videos of people doing or opening like mystery boxes from either eBay or Amazon or wherever. So I was like, I'm gonna go see. So I went to Amazon and I found like a cheaper one. They have all different kinds, all different prices with all different things on the inside. So I went ahead and got one. I think it was like around $10 to $15. I'll put it in my description box, a link to the one that I got. And it had like, I think it said 4 stars. It was very, very affordable. So I was like, let's just get it and see what it is. So if you like to see me unbox a Amazon mystery box, please keep watching. I just recreated my makeup, one of my makeup looks that I wore when I went to Vegas for my anniversary, and then I just went ahead and left the ponytail in as well. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, I'll definitely put this in the description box as well if you would like to see. So let's go ahead and open this. So I thought it was something else, so I started to tear open the side and then I realized it was my mystery bag. So I took a quick peek, but I didn't peek, so I don't really know what it is. But anyways, so it came in this. And I believe I got the one that's like all beauty stuff. Okay, so got this little pink pouch. I was kind of worried because I was like, okay, I don't want to get one of those boxes that's like has a bunch of used stuff in it. Like I was watching Graveyard Girl open a bunch of stuff from eBay, and some of it was like 90s themed or whatever, and there was like bugs and stuff on it, and I was like, oh my god, I don't want one of those. But anyways, okay, so let's see what's in here. So the first thing in here is a beauty sponge, high quality powder puff, and it's in the shape of a rabbit. Let's see. You know how sometimes beauty sponges are like too hard? This one feels pretty dense, but it also feels like it might actually get softer when it's damp, so we'll see. Okay, so far so good. We got a beauty sponge. Next, we got a pair of silk faux mink lashes. Ooh, you guys, these actually look pretty good. It's always hard to show lashes on camera, I feel like. I never know what a good angle is. Let's see, maybe if I hold them back like here. But these actually look pretty legit. They're like fluffier on the outside. It says they have a 3D effect. Okay, we're 2 for 2. Next we have some apricot anti-stress and cure, is that what it says? Anti-stress and cure makeup remover cleansing towelettes. I don't use makeup removers to remove my makeup, but I do use them while I'm doing my makeup. Next we have a Aloe Ultra Hydrating Essence Face Mask. Okay, so far so good. And then the last thing we have in here is this. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is from LA Colors, and it's their eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade Rose. Ooh, this actually looks pretty promising. Ooh, look at that. That looks really pretty. It has 2 highlighter shades in it too. Oh, I guess that's everything. So I ended up with a eyeshadow palette, a pair of lashes that actually look pretty legit, a makeup sponge, a face mask, and then some makeup removers. So like I said, I think all this was 10 bucks. So that's not bad. So I'll make sure to link where I ordered my mystery bag. I don't know if they're all different or what. I guess I'll have to go back and like read the description about it. So I don't know if like if I was to order another one, if it would be a completely different bag or they give out the same ones. I'm not really sure, but that was exciting. I'll probably actually try out that eyeshadow palette from LA Colors in like a full face of first impressions. The only thing that I've tried from LA Colors is some of their lip products and then a foundation that I got from Dollar General that was amazing. It's also on Amazon as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If there's anywhere else you want me to order some mystery boxes or anything that's like in a mystery box, like it could literally be anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.